and welcome to Content Studio 3.0. In this video, we'll be learning how to use the Social Composer Assistant tool. It helps you find targeted trending content of your choice to share to your socials while you're composing a post. These can be to basically add a reference or share facts, add relevant images, videos, quotes, GIFs, and more. So to start off, we're going to select a social account and I'm going to write a caption. Now, say I want to add something to my post that'll add value to it so that my viewers can benefit from it. So I'm going to go to the right panel here and select the Assistant tool. I can share content from articles all over the web. I can share videos from YouTube and Dailymotion, get tweets from Twitter, add images from Flickr, Imager, Pixabay, and GIFs from Jiffy. We've also got a Pocket integration. So Pocket is a content archive tool that helps you save content so that you can retrieve it later. So if you have the integration, when you connect ContentStudio and your Pocket account, you'll be able to bring in content from there. We've also got the option to add quotes, and the favorite option here is basically our own archive tool. It's used when you're curating content, and you can add that content to your favorites, and if something is lying in your favorites, then you can bring it here to the composer. So let's start off by searching a keyword. Here are articles from all over the web. I can actually narrow down my searches by selecting a specific date range. And I can further narrow down by selecting any of these filters. I can narrow down according to country. And I can also narrow down according to some specific language. You can see here that the engagement shows, the sentiment shows, and you can also click on the preview button here to read the article and decide if you want to share this to your social channels or not. You can also go and check out cat videos and add HD filters. You can also check out the views, likes, and comments here. Dailymotion does the same. We can get Twitter, tweets right here, images. Then here are the GIFs and the quotes. Now, let's say I want to add an article. So I'm going to just click and drag the article to my composer. And if you have the option selected, ContentStudio is going to shorten the link for you. Now, if I want to add an image, I'm going to go to any of these and I'm going to select an image right here. If I add an image to the composer right here, it'll add that image directly to my media library so that I can access it later at any time I want. Now that I'm done composing my post, I'm going to go and post away. See you in the next video.